Hey guys, so I was so bored and I wanted to make slime, so I had this, okay, and I took all of the glue out and I put it onto my fingers. I'm trying to make slime because the people in my class said that it makes slime, and I did see theirs and it actually did make slime, so I just want to keep mixing to see if it makes slime. It is kind of working. It's kind of cool for some reason, so I will tell you guys if it turns out. Okay guys, I've been doing this for like 10 minutes. It's like kind of forming. So we gotta keep mixing. Hey guys, I forgot to record for like 3 hours. But after like 20 minutes, it actually worked. So guys, go try it out. I swear I didn't use anything because I don't have any active in my house. And it actually worked. I'm actually gonna make more. It's so good. I love it. All the girls in my school make this, so I'm obsessed. So guys, go make this at home.